Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Acura RDX. To begin, press the main button on your steering wheel to turn on the system. Once active, accelerate to your desired speed and then press the SET button to engage cruise control. You'll see a green indicator light on your dashboard confirming it's working. This feature helps maintain a consistent speed on highways, making longer drives more comfortable and efficient. Your Acura RDX also features adaptive cruise control. This advanced system not only maintains your set speed, but also adjusts it based on the vehicle ahead. Use the distance button on your steering wheel to select one of 4 following distances. It will automatically slow down or speed up to match traffic flow, even assisting with low-speed follow in congested situations, providing a smoother driving experience. Complementing cruise control is the Lane Keeping Assist System, or LCAS. Activate it with its dedicated button on the steering wheel. LCAS provides gentle steering input to help keep your vehicle centered within its lane, reducing driver fatigue. It's most effective on well-marked roads and works in conjunction with adaptive cruise control for a more comprehensive driving assistance experience. Remember, it's an assist feature, not an autopilot. When used together, Adaptive Cruise Control and Lane Keeping Assist System offer a powerful combination for a more relaxed drive, especially on long journeys. These systems are designed to assist, not replace, your active driving. Always stay alert, keep your hands on the wheel, and be prepared to take full control of your vehicle at all times. For more great deals, including a special offer on the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.